In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view crypto fundamentals for deeper market analysis on TradingView. Price action is only half the story. To truly understand what is happening under the hood of a blockchain, you need access to on-chain data and institutional flows. TradingView now offers over 60 new fundamental indicators, covering everything from US spot ETF balances to network hash rates. Integrating these metrics into your charts allows you to spot accumulation patterns and institutional trends that simple price candles might miss. First, open any cryptocurrency chart on the TradingView platform, such as BTC/USD or ETH/USD. Once your chart is loaded, click the Indicators button located in the top toolbar to open the search library. From there, select the Fundamentals tab from the left-hand sidebar menu. This is the central hub for all specialized blockchain and economic data. Next, navigate to the Ownership subtab. This is a powerful section that gives you access to metrics for US spot crypto ETFs. You can track capital flows and asset balances for major funds like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale, which helps you factor institutional capital movements into your analysis. After exploring ownership, switch to the Network subtab to view on-chain data. This area includes essential metrics such as address activity, transfer volumes, and fee metrics, allowing you to evaluate the intensity of network participation and usage costs. If you are looking for a particular data point, use the search bar within the Fundamentals menu to find specific assets. For example, you can search for hash rate or UTXO when analyzing Bitcoin to study mining security and coin distribution. If you are looking at Ethereum, you might search for total value staked to track validator participation or gas to monitor network load. Finally, once you have identified the data you need, click on the desired fundamental metric to apply it to your chart layout. The indicator will appear on your screen, allowing you to correlate blockchain activity directly with price movements. By layering these fundamental metrics over your technical analysis, you gain a much clearer picture of market sentiment and network utility. Be sure to explore the different subtabs to see which data points best fit your trading strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more TradingView tips. Happy charting!